Assalamualaikum my YouTube family. Hope you all are doing well. If you are looking for simple and easy recipes, you have come to the right place. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do it as you will love our recipes for sure. Today, we are making an age-old delicacy, Mutton Paaya, which is rich, collagen-packed and perfect for immunity, taste and tradition. So let's get started. Here I have taken 8 mutton paaya. Clean the mutton paaya thoroughly, scrape off any hair and boil once in hot water for 5 minutes to remove the impurities. Arrange the rest of the ingredients as well. For this recipe we would require 2 roughly chopped onions, 2 tomatoes roughly chopped, 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Then we would need a whole cup of coriander leaves. Now let's see what all are the spice powders that are required for this recipe. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, salt as per taste, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri Red chili powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon Garam masala powder, half teaspoon Fennel powder. Now let's get into the recipe. For making mutton paaya, I am pouring half a cup of oil in a pressure cooker. Once the oil is heated, add the chopped onions. We have to fry the onions until it turns slightly golden. This is an essential step in order to remove the sweetness of the onions. Once that the onions have become slightly golden, add salt and ginger garlic paste into it. Saute until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste fades away. Once that's done, add the chopped tomatoes and mix it well. Once that the tomatoes have become slightly mushy, you can start adding the spice powders. Whichever red chili powder is readily available to you, you can even use it. Adding both these chili powders is completely optional. So once that's added, you can mix it well. Now it's time to add the clean trotters. Combine the trotters in such a way that each trotters gets coated with the masala really very well. So for 8 trotters, I'm adding 4 cups of water into it. Time to add the chopped coriander leaves. Mix it again. Once that everything is mixed well, you can close the lid. Pressure cook for 6 to 8 whistles on medium flame. We want the trotters to become tender and gelatinous. Once done, open the lid and let it simmer on low flame for another 15 to 20 minutes. This thickens the soup and enhances the flavor. Mutton paaya is usually a thin gravy and it is very yummy to have. Serve it hot with roti, naan, rice or appam. Mutton paaya is not just food, it's a warm hug from tradition. You can even have it just like a soup as well. In the end, making mutton paaya is all about patience, love and a bit of practice. If you're looking for a dish that's sure to impress your family and friends, then mutton paaya is the way to go. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, comment below your favorite way to eat the paaya and don't forget to subscribe for more soulful food.